Hello friends, we have a really fun surprise today. We were sent an awesome package from our Decora Girlz, and I already love what I see on the outside of this box, and I can't wait to look inside and see what fun goodies they sent us. So if you're ready, let's get into it. Well, here we are in a closer look at the box. It's very beautifully decorated, and here are our fun goodies. Okay, everything in here is so cute. I'm going to take everything out of the box and I'll show you guys in just a second. So here we are, and I'd like to say a huge thank you to our friends over at Sepia and Decora Girlz. And they sent us this really fun surprise box of all of their newest items. Over here, we have the Decora Girlz 5-inch mystery doll. We have the Decora Girlz sticker store playset, and then of course we have our star of the show, our 11-inch fashion doll. I am so excited for this. And they also send over some really fun goodies. We've got some extra stickers that we can use to decorate our doll and ourselves. We've got some fun little merch. We've got a cute little bracelet. We've got some fashion band-aids. So I see us dressing up as one of our favorite dolls. And some really cute hair clips. All of these dolls just dropped in March, and they are available at Walmart and FAO Schwarz, and I'm sure you'll start seeing them popping up at other stores. So if you found them at other stores, go ahead and leave a comment and let us know where you have found them. So I'm just going over a little fact sheet right here, and I want to remind you guys to follow Decora Girlz on TikTok and Instagram, and of course www.decoragirlz.com to get more information about these beautiful dolls and this new toy line and where you can find them. Okay, let's get into some details about Decora. For the 11-inch doll, it says there are over 75 surprises inside, and it includes one doll set to sticker and customize. So it says unleash your inner style superstar with the fashion Decora Girlz. Adorn your dolls and yourself with oodles of color, sparkle, and stickers galore. The fashion Decora Girlz, your ultimate style companions. And we are going to be unboxing Decora. She is the rainbow theme. Luna is supposed to be cute goth style. Celestia is obviously a galaxy theme. Sweetie is a candy theme. So it says there are 9 of the mini dolls to collect. So here are all the 9 mini dolls. And these will come in a surprise package. So this one I'm definitely going to open on YouTube Shorts, and I can't wait to see which one we get in here. So if you are not subscribed, please subscribe, guys, and hit those notifications so that you can know when I'm going to upload my YouTube Shorts. I do those often. And here we go with Decora. Okay, so unboxing her was a job within itself. So on the back, there are so many of those little plastic ties. And then on the front, some of the accessories are tied down. So I was really trying to be slow and careful. It took a long time because I didn't want to cut her dress or her hair. And I actually left these plastic rubber bands in just for now. She comes with a doll stand. I love when dolls come with a doll stand because, you know, as collectors, we're going to display our dolls. Oh, and it has a little brush down here on the bottom. So I'll have to get that out. There was also some little hair accessories that were on the plastic when we unboxed. So these are like some little hair barrettes. And I don't know if those are for us or her. But we've got lots of cute barrettes that go with the theme. Oh, wait, look, it is for her. Look. Okay, so there you go. These are so cute. And maybe you can share. You can share with Decora. I'm sure she won't mind. So these are really cute. Oh, see, her hair got like a little bit mangled. Okay, I might have to take this rubber band out. So her hair is nylon. All of these dolls are made with nylon hair. So the hair feels really nice, but yes, it is thin. It's a little bit softer, but I do appreciate the nylon hair. It's gorgeous. And then let's go ahead and start with her outfit. So she's obviously a rainbow themed, and she's got a cute little jacket. She's got a shirt underneath with a bow on it. She had this little purse accessory and a little charm, a little keychain charm on her purse, her rainbow purse, and a cute little skirt with a nice band and bow right there. Here's a look from the back. Oh, look, I have it tucked in. There we go. She's got a color block jacket on. And let's get down to these shoes. So she's got thigh-high socks, fuzzy leg warmers, and the cutest rainbow shoes. Rainbow platform shoes at that. Look at this fashion right here she's got going on. She's so cute. And then of course she's got the most animated eyes and a little like happy pout. Okay, so let's take a look at the articulation. So she's got her joints right here and her leg moves back and forth. She twists, her torso twist. That's cool. The wrists do not twist. It's all one piece. Let's check the arm. The arm does twist and move how you want it. That's great. So she's perfectly articulated. And oh, you know what? I don't think the head moves. I don't think so. And I'm afraid I really don't want to try and force anything. So I do know. Oh, okay. It moves side to side. That's a little tight. I wouldn't really try and force that all the way around. And she's got these rubber bands in her hair, so you can take her hair down and style it. I'm gonna get these hair ties out because it's not cute. I'm gonna leave the ones on top though. I took her hair ties out, and let's get her on this doll stand. We're gonna go under the jacket, and I'm gonna put the jacket over it. Just kind of put the doll stand right at her waist. We'll just do a little turn for you guys. There we go. We've got a little clip right there. And how about where her hair got messed up? Okay, let's put the other clip. I think these clips and stickers are really fun because you can totally dress up to match your doll. You can share everything and mix and match. Whoa. Okay, so here we are. And this is the 11-inch Decora doll. She's gonna fit in great into my doll collection and into my room. There's something about rainbows. You gotta love them. And the packaging is gorgeous. Her outfit's gorgeous. So I'm not sure if I should just keep going and do the sticker dollhouse, because this is a whole other doll and it's a mini size of Decora. And it's like a whole thing. It's a whole play set. So I think this might be a part 2. Okay, the one thing I forgot is that she comes with 2 packs of stickers. And these are to personalize her outfit and her accessories. So let's go ahead and personalize her with some stickers. So hard to make that straight and make it look like the picture. She's got a star here, and we're going to take some pictures later for Instagram. And she's got 2 more stars on the other side. I'm actually going to be a little bit different, and I'm going to put, so on the packaging, she has 2 stars, but I like the heart. Oh no, this is coming off. I like the hearts, so I'm going to go ahead and go for the hearts right here. And these, I don't know if I'm not getting this on right. She's got a little dip on her nose to kind of hold these. And maybe you can even add one to their hair. Let's see. Or their outfit. I'm going to sit that there for photos. So now she's got a little bit more personality. I've got to fix this hair clip. But I do love that they give you the accessories and you can customize them and personalize them a little bit better. I'm going to take that off and we will fix that for Instagram. Okay, guys, and there she is. She looks a little bit cuter than before because she's got her flare on with her stickers and stuff. So now we've got our doll ready to display. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss part 2. I'll see you in the next one.